Okay, now let's quickly look at sending out parent invoices and scheduling direct debits, being aware of the 3 steps that we looked at. So start by downloading your parent invoices. You want to select children and then reports and click on invoices. This happens on a Tuesday, so assuming the date today is the 18th, we're scheduling for the week in advance. That will be from the 24th to the 30th. The drop-down will already be selected on active families, so all we need to do is select the print icon. Once downloaded, open your PDF. All invoices will be on the one PDF. Each invoice is for a single family, but for multiple children if that's the case. If the family has CCS eligibility, hours and percentage, you want to check that there is a CCS estimate for each child. You also want to look that the days of attendance in the week in question are correct for each child and that the daily fee is correct. Once you've checked all invoices and you're happy with them, you can then go ahead and email out those invoices. And to do this, you select the email button here. If there were any errors, you would go back to your attendance page, correct those errors, and then reissue the invoices. Then we want to head over to the iPay drop-down. On the bottom right, the arrow, and then select once-off payments. And again, this task is completed on a Tuesday, so you want to select on the calendar icon the following Wednesday. Then click on autofill amounts. And on the next calendar icon, you want to select the Sunday of the week in advance. So assuming that today was the 18th, we would be selecting until the 30th. And click done. And then you want to hit process. Now here is where you want to check that there are no double payments. So sometimes what can happen is if the internet is slow and you need to double press the process button, or if the software doesn't immediately respond, sometimes the software will do a double payment. So step 2 on the previous slide was to look for double payments. The other thing that can sometimes happen is that if you're in a rush, you may accidentally select the wrong date on the calendar icon. So this is why in step 3, we get you to log out of the software and then log back in and check your work. So I'm going to do that now. By going through this process on the Tuesday, you're able to stop the scheduled direct debits for the Wednesday, as long as it's 24 hours in advance. Please select the week of the 17th to the 23rd to be able to review which iPay payments have been picked up on the system. Yeah, and so here we see a double payment. This actually didn't occur just in this training video. I purposely preceded this video with populating these scheduled direct debits for these 2 families to show you how the system may look if there was a double payment that incorrectly went through. So if that was to happen, all you would do is click on the payments that you wish to delete and you would just delete them. You can then refresh your page and go back into iPay, reports, iPay, and select the week that the iPay is scheduled to take place. Check that everything looks correct, and then you can assume that the task is completed and everything will go through really well. Okay, thanks for watching.